This is my 2011 Honda CRZ. She's a 6-speed hybrid, and I got her a couple months ago. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys about the LED conversion that I've done. It's pretty much one of the first mods that I've done to this car. I haven't seen any video on YouTube of what bulbs to buy, where to buy them. In this video, I'm going to show you everything. Right here we have the daylight running lights. I've changed those to LEDs. The low beams, I've changed them to LEDs. And behind here, pretty much all the interior bulbs are LEDs. I'm going to put links down in the description of where to buy all this stuff. But in the back, the brake lights are already LEDs, was a plus, and my reverse lights, I changed them to LEDs. I'm going to show you guys how this all looks as well. So here we have the headlight kit. So right here, they're by Cougar Motor LED headlight kit, and these are the H11s, which are the low beams. Here to the left are the same brand, and these are 9005s, which are the high beams daytime running lights. So right here I'm going to show you the daytime running lights and how they look. Those are the LED daytime running lights, and I know you see some pulsing, but that's definitely just the camera. And these are the low beams LEDs. And they also work as high beams, as you saw there. So just a heads up, anyone that's going to do this, that's going to replace the DRLs with LEDs on the CRZ, they will pop up on the CRZ dash saying that the DRLs are out because of the low voltage on these LEDs. So just a fair warning, if you're going to do this, you will notice a pop-up on the dash. So now we're going to take a look at the back, and these are the LED reverse lights. I got these at O'Reilly's. They're about 25 bucks for the pair. So now I'm going to show you how they look when the car is put in reverse. So from that last clip, I don't know if some of you noticed, this CRZ does not have a stock exhaust. This CRZ has a HKS silent high power catback. So if anybody wants me to do a depth review, startup, cold start, acceleration, my thoughts on the exhaust, comment down below. I have a couple parts here for the CRZ for future videos, so definitely stay tuned for those. And this is my 07 Civic Si. So if anybody wants a review on this thing, comment down below. Let me know what you guys want.